Now we'll discuss. Now we'll nine principal technique. Ninth principal technique that is actually based on digit sum technique. Means that means here suppose 3, 5, 7, 2 that is equal to 1. That means this number is what 35,721. That means 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to the 18. That is equal to 18. If that number is divisible by 9, then that total number is divisible by. So that's why what? That is the sum of the number. It's the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then the total number is divisible by 9. This means this is the divisibility of 9. So that's why that is called 9 principle technique. By using 9 principle technique, we can find out many questions very easily. Very easily means you have to calculate very easily. So calculation process is very fast by using 9 principle. Also by using 11 principle. Now today discuss about the 9 principle or digit sum technique. That means whatever question, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, profit loss or compound interest, whatever question will come, you can apply digit sum technique. That is the fast technique. You can do in within 2 seconds what the calculation is there. That is addition or subtraction or multiplication, whatever is there, you can do very fast also. Now take an example. That example is 17 into 11 into 7 minus 70 is equal to 10. That means some options are given. Then first option 1139, second option 1189, third option 1289, fourth option the 1239, and fifth option that is none of these is there. So this is actually 2008 का बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा क्लर्क में आया था. So how can you do that is the question fast, very fast calculation. Simple you can do very fast also. Now you have to use that is the 9 principle technique. So 9 principle technique you have to apply how? So that here that is the answer will come. That means 1 plus 7. What 1 plus 7? That is equal to 8. Here 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2 into 7 minus 7 is equal to dash. That means what? That is 16. 16 then into 7 minus 7 is equal to this. So that means you have to add again here. That is 7 into 7 minus 7 that is equal to what? That means what? That means 49 minus 7 that is 42 means that the sum is equal to 6 comes. So whatever number, 2-digit number will come, 2-digit here, whatever number you have to digit add it, add the digit 1 by 1. That means after adding this digit what comes, that is it, now 6 comes. ये कितना आया ना 6 आया. 6 आने के बाद जो 6 डिजिट आया तो इसी ऑप्शन में 6 डिजिट वाला कौन है, हमको इसी में आंसर मिलेगा. तो नॉन ऑफ दिस जहां भी है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उसी में. तो सपोज वन पैटर्न इज देयर, सो अनदर पैटर्न यू कैन टेक आल्सो फॉर मैचिंग द आंसर. हियर देखो एक है आंसर, सपोज 2 आंसर 6 से आए तो दूसरा मेथड भी एक है, दूसरा मेथड को चेक करने से हमारा आंसर जल्दी मिल जाएगा. एटलीस्ट दो कंसेप्ट इफ यू यूज, दो concept you use, then you can definitely get the result. So that what the 6, this is the 2 3 5 5 9 4 5 9 14, 14 से 9 गया, 14 से 9 गया, that is the 5 रहा. The 9 that is simple, you got it. What the result? That is a 5. This is a 5 sum is there. Here that is a 9 9 9 cut गया, that is 1 is there. Here that is equal to 9 cut, that 9 that is the 2 is the remainder here. Here that is equal to 9 cut, this is equal to 3 3 6 is the answer. This is 6. The non. That means this is the result. This option is the correct option. So because the 6 is the digit here, by adding the digit comes, that is a 6. So that's why this is a correct option. Sometimes what that this is also suppose 9, this is 3. The digit is exchanging. So that time also 6 will come. So that time what that last two digit number or unit digit number you have to check it. So by checking that you can find out the exact answer. So now you take the next example. These are 10 principle or a technique we have to use for finding the shortcut addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, simple interest, compound interest, whatever calculation is there, you have to calculate by easy process or very fast. If you practice very fast, you can do. Now comes to the concept about whatever concept is there, whatever question comes, if similar types of digit comes, so that time at least any two concept you can use, then you can find out exact value. So that means either these two or these two or these two or these two or these two, whatever any two technique you can use for exact value finding. Now take by using here, that is it, 2011 111 into 21 into 11. Then that bit is given 46, that is given, that is given, that is given, that is given, that is none of this given. So बैंक पे 2006 में आया था. ये जो है digit है all digits are here देखो 4645641 4645461. That means only last three digits are changed something. So last digits are same. So that's why we have to use here if sum is here similar. Here देखो here sum जितना, here also sum जितना. So sum if is same, then we cannot put that is digit sum method. So use next other methods. So what the methods are there? That is the method is given here. Last two digit method means 11 into 21 into 11 is equal to what? That is this multiplication, that is 121 into 21. Then last two digit number, that is 441. That means 41 is last two digit will come. Last two digit 41 is what? This. Which is 41? This is the first option is 41. So that's why first option is correct. So that's why first option is the correct option. So first option is correct. In this question, we have to apply what? Last two digit technique. Because these digits are and these two options are digit same. ये दो में digit same है. So that's why we have to use another two method. So first method you have to apply. Digit sum method completed. So after that another last two digit technique we have to apply. Last two digit technique you have to apply. Means last two digits are this, last two digits are this, last two digits are this. So that's why last two digits is multiply. What we will do, that is 121, this is 21 सब multiply करने से 441 आया. So last two digit कितना आई ना 41. Which option have that last two digits 41? You check it. This option is correct. So that's why other options have no 41 in last two digit. So none of these के बारे में छोड़ दो. So none of these है रहेगा तो फिर भी तुमको उस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट बिट को आंसर चुनना चाहिए. बिकॉज तो none of these ऐसे दिया होगा तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. तुम ऐसे चेक करके आंसर निकाल कर सकते. So that's why it is the first option is correct. Next another question what will. This is the question. This is the 4743751256533543256732567342 is equal to. That means whatever number you addition, that is big numbers addition is there. So by adding the big number, so that is a you take that is at least 1 minute time. So that's a before that you how can you do? So कैसे हम जल्दी करेंगे? जल्दी करने के लिए हमको क्या ना डिजिट सम टेक्निक लेना है. डिजिट सम टेक्निक लेने से हमको वो आंसर मिल जाएगा. That means so that here what value come, that is 4. See here, that is 7 1 1 2 2 5, that is 7 7 4 11, that the answer is 2. The digit comes to 2. Digit comes 2. That means here this, if you add this, that means what will value comes 4 7 7 7 14 14 5, that is a 20, 19 19 plus 1, that is a 20 20, that is 18 गया, means 9 का multiple चला गया, that is 2 रहा. Similar, that is what 5 3 8, 8 से 1 गया, that is 9 चला गया, that is 1 5 6 6 से 12, that is 3 रहा. So similar 3 5 8 8, 8 से 1 गया, that is 9 चला गया, that is 3 3 9, that is 0 comes. So that is it 2 5 7 7 6, that is it 13 13 से that is 4, that 4 7, that is 11 11 से that is it 2 रहा. Similar 3 4 7 7 9, that is a 0 comes. So that addition 2 3 5 5 2, that is 7. So 7 is that is the digit sum. So what the digit sum, that how we do that digit sum? This is not, because 1 is 8 8 5, that is here, that is 4 4 8 8 1, that is 5 is the here, 5 is that is a card. So similar, this is a 10, that is 1 1 7 7 7 7, that is a 2, that is a 4 4 5, the 5 is there. So it is a cut. So it is not there. So that is 7 8 8 8 16 16, that is a 7 7 4 11 2 2 6 8, ये गन ये नहीं है. तो ये क्या होगा, that is a 7 7 14 14 सब 5 5 8 5 5 5 6 6 4 10 10 10, so that is 1, that is the 7 is the unit place. So if 7 is the digit sum, ये digit sum कितना है, ये सबका digit sum, ओके इसका digit sum अलग आए 5 आए, ये 5 आए, ये इसी में 7 आया है, इसी में 7 आया है. So that's why 7 unit place is the, so 7 digit sum is the, so here 5 here 5 here 8 here 7. So 7 digit sum is the, that is here 7 था, इधर digit sum 7 आ रहे. So that's why this addition is equal to this. This addition is equal to this. You can do very fast also, very fast you can do. So that's why not necessary that is the pen and paper. You can do in your mind. No need calculator. Okay, you take another question. Now you have to apply this question, that is the first of all you have to find out the question using digit sum or 9 principle technique. Here digit sum technique or 9 principle technique, digit sum by 9 principle, so that here that is equal to 9 cut 9 cut, that is equal to 4 8 foot, that is 1, that the digit is 3, this is 2 1 3, that is 1, that is 9 gun, that is 7, and this is equal to minus 9 cut, that is 11 11 2, that means let it is x, that is 7 2, that is 7 to 9, that is 1, that is 1 2 6 9, then that is equal to 2. What value, that is 10 10 से 2 गया, 8 8 minus x is equal to 3. That means you can say x is equal to 8 minus 3 means 5. That is 5. So what the digits, the sum is equal to 5. You check it, that is 7. 7, that is equal to 4. That option is incorrect. So this is 11, that is 9, that is 4. That is incorrect. This is equal to 9, that is 5. You can, that is this is 4 comes, this is what 4 comes, so that's why this is 5 comes, maybe it is correct. You can check it. That is 1384. That is 9. That is 7 comes. So that's why that is none of these. You cannot say that is none of this answer. So by using that, you can say that is the 7 is the D. Sorry, 5C is the answer. C is the answer. That is D, B, A is not answer. So because ये किस लिए ना ये 5 पे मिला था ना डिजिट हम, इधर 7 डिजिट हमारे, इधर 4 डिजिट हमारे, इधर 4 डिजिट हमारे, तो इसीलिए उसे आंसर नहीं है। तो 6 जो है सी आंसर होगा। ये है डिजिट सम प्रिंसिपल और 9 प्रिंसिपल टेक्निक में जाने से। तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। तो लास्ट 2 डिजिट को लेके लास्ट 2 डिजिट कंसेप्ट, लास्ट 2 डिजिट कंसेप्ट मींस what the concept says, that is 68, that is equal to 58, that is equal to 96, that is equal to x, that is equal to 21, that is equal to 62. That means last 2 digit लेके हम आंसर भी निकाल सकते हैं। तो what the answer will come, last 2 digit हमको 8 8 16 16 16 के साथ ओके 16 से है 10 हुआ, 10 होने से ये क्या है 3 है। तो ऐसे एक्चुअली आंसर क्या होगा ना, x का वैल्यू सम एंड 47 आएगा। तो ये जो वैल्यू है ब्लैंक स्पेस, इसको हमारा जरूरत नहीं है। हमारा क्या जरूरत, लास्ट 2 डिजिट जरूरत है। तो लास्ट 2 डिजिट किसी में है ना, सी ऑप्शन में है। किसी में लास्ट 2 डिजिट 647 नहीं है। तो दैट्स व्हाई last 2 digit, the C option is correct. That using last 2 digit technique. You can say that is unit digit technique. Unit digit technique. Unit digit technique means, that means you can say that is this 8 है, that is equal to ये है 8 है, then that is equal to 8 है, that is equal to 6 है, then that is equal to x left, that is 1, that is equal to 2. That means what value comes unit is 8 8 16 10 I, 10 minus x is equal to 3. That means x plus is equal to 7. That means what the unit place is here, that is 7 comes. That 7 comes. Unit place is what? That is 7 comes. So here the unit place is 7. That's why this is the answer. This is the answer. So C option is the correct. Means whatever concept you think, at least digit sum or last two digit num or digit sum or unit concept or last two digit concept or unit digit concept. By using that concept, you can say the C option is the exactly correct or correct option. Another question you can. So you can take that is the question. Another question. 58321 69386. That is the question mark plus 37098. So option A the 91619. Option B 90609. That is option C 92609. So D option that none of these. That IOB clause 2009 में आया. So you can apply here. You can apply digit sum technique, or you can apply that is last 2 digit concept. You can apply that is unit digit concept. But here, so this is a concept is given. This option and this option sum are same. So if digits any two options digit sum is same, so that's why you cannot apply digit sum or 9 principle technique. You can apply unit any other two concept you can apply. So that means last 2 digit concept if you apply last 2 digit concept, that is 21, that is 86, that means that is you can say x, that is equal to 98. So what the x value comes? So what x value comes, by taking that x value, we can say unit digit. That means the unit digit comes that 0, 7 comes. Unit digit comes 0, 7 comes. So sorry, the unit digit, that the last 2 digit comes 0, 9 comes. Last 2 digit comes 0, 9 means 107, that is 98. 107 minus 98, the value comes that is 09. So 09. So x value comes that is a 09. So that's why 09 is a last to two-digit number. You can say this is 0209. This is also 029. Same value comes. So that's why you have to apply another method also, by another technique also you can apply by taking another method. That is 10 methods are there or 10 techniques are there. You can take another method also. By taking the digit sum concept, this digit sum concept means what? The digit sum concept B is, that is the digit sum concept or nine principle concept. What value? This value is, that is 9 and 6. This value is equal to 8. This is the, this is the 6. This is the 8. Okay, this is the 6. This is the 8. So you have to add this as what the that option come. This is 9. The 5, 5, 10. That is 1. This is the what? This is 1. What the value comes? Here that is done. That is the 9 card. That is 8, 6. It 1k. That is the 5. So this is the 9, 0. This is equal to 0, 0, 9 होने से 8 आ रहे. That is a 9, a 0 array. So 5 and a 6. 6 is the, that is unit digit number. So 6 is the unit digit number 6. So that's why B option is the correct option. That's why B option is the correct. So here, so you can use that is any two constant. Last two digit constant you here, another digit sum. Any two option you can apply. So here, so that result comes, that is a B option. Very easily you can calculate. Similarly, this is the addition, subtraction, multiplication concept told. So that's why another also, that is a percentage, profit loss, compound interest, whatever question, that means whatever the calculation is present in question, that calculation is done by this technique very easily. So that's why option oriented question if there, then you can do very easily. Without option oriented calculation, you cannot do. So now another question you can say what will. This is the question. 88% of 370 plus 24% of 210 minus that question mark is equal to 118. That means what option is correct? So you can apply digit sum or nine principle method. Means what? The 88 means that is 16. 16 means 7 digit sum. That is your multiplication. That is 7. That is 1. 17 das. That is 1. So similarly, that is equal to 2, 4, that is 6, and that is 2, that is 3, minus x is equal to, that is 1. Mean that is 7, this is 18, 18 means 0, 0 minus x is equal to 1. You can say x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So which option is the correct option? You can say if x is if x is 6, which option is the correct option? You can say. In this case, that 7, that is 7, that is 2, that is not easier. Either 4 of RA, ye nahi ho rahe. So that's why in this case, that is equal to 10, that is 1, 9, that is 6. This is 6 comes. It is maybe correct. So you can say that is here, that is a 7 comes. That is 7 come. This side, this is not. So this is a 3, 5, 8, 8, 1, and 7 also comes. So this is incorrect. So that's why this option is correct. This option is correct because this digit sum is equal to 6. You get the digit sum, that total the digit sum is 6. इनका digit sum मिला था 6. ये option का digit sum 6 मिल रहे. So that's why this B option is the correct answer. B option is the correct answer. Now you can take another question. This is the concept here, that is 79602956 minus 8050 plus 4028. That is equal to this. That means you can apply, that is a digit sum. If you apply digit sum, means this is similar answer comes. So this is a similar answer. So sometimes that is a similar answer. Now you can apply also uh, tens digits, means last two digit concept. So that's why what lasted 6056 minus 50 plus 2a is equal to this. Means this is value is equal to suppose x. So that value comes, that is a 66 plus 28. 66 plus 28 is equal to x. Means x is equal to 94. So x is a 94 means that is the last two digit number. Last two digit number 94 will come. So that's why these options are not correct. So that is none of these the answer. None of these the answer. So that's why it is the option is not there. So similarly, another question you can. First of all, you take the question. What the question say? By using this question, so here you can apply digit sum technique. So here multiplication concept is there. Here multiplication, subtraction, division is there. So, subtraction, division, all the concepts are, so that's a Bodmas rule. The rule you can apply. So by using that rule, you can pairwise concept comes. So that is a pairwise concept comes. So after taking that pairwise concept, what the answer comes, you think about that. Whatever the division concept, that means division concept comes, means here that is ये 5 है, ये 6 है, ये 5 है, ये 6 है, माइनस ये है that is here, see here that is 4, that is 1 come, that 2, 4 2, that is 6 come. So that is divided by एक आई, एक आने से 3 3 3 6 आ गया. So that's why divided by that is 5, okay, is equal to x minus 1. Here you can say that is 3 minus 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is equal to x minus 1. This is the concept. Now here whatever the division concept is there, you have to, जैसे हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, आफ्टर 9 का मल्टीपल और 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से वो 1 रहेगा नीचे. तो ऐसे हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. जैसे हमको 6 बाई 5 जाए, हम 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, 2 ऊपर आ गया. सो दैट्स वाई 12 हुआ, नीचे 10 हुआ. इसका मतलब है ऊपर जो है 12 दैट इज 3 हो गया, नीचे जो है 1 हो गया. सो सिमिलरली सपोज हमको दिया होगा 3/8 दिया होगा, तो 3/8 मतलब 8 हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो 8 मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से 24 ऊपर, नीचे हो जाएगा बट 63 मतलब 1 हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई that is 63. So that's why this is 8, this is equal to, so this is 6, this is equal to 1. In that way, same concept, that is 3 minus that is 6 into 2 by 5 into 2 is equal to x minus 1. That means 3 minus 3 is equal to x minus 1. Means x is equal to 1. What option is it? That is x is equal to 1. Option that sum में that digit sum is 1 कम. किसी का digit sum 1 आ रहे, इसको हम किसका डिजिट सम 1 है, इसको हम चेक करेंगे. देखो डिजिट सम किसका आ रहा है, यू थिंक अबाउट द कंसेप्ट. दैट इज 9, दैट इज 1, डिजिट सम 1 आ रहे, जिसका डिजिट सम 1 आ रहे, हो सकता है ये आंसर करेक्ट है. इसका डिजिट सम 0 आ रहे, ये नहीं है, 0 आ रहे, सो दैट्स व्हाई ये गलत हो सकता है. वो है दैट इज 10 10 1 4 5 आ रहे, तो ये भी गलत. दैट इज 4 आ रहे, ये गलत. सो दिस इज नन ऑफ दिस आंसर कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है. जहाँ पे कुछ यूनिट नहीं है तब हम कर सकते. सो अभी देखो, तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. तुमने नन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा तो कुछ फर्क नहीं है, तो उनको देख के डरना मत। ओके, तो इसी में सपोज डिजिट सम और व्हाट एवर 10 प्रिंसिपल जो है 10 जो दिया है मेथड, उसको अप्लाई करके हम देखेंगे तो हो जाएगा। जहां पे एक में कुछ नहीं है तब हम नॉन ऑफ दिस डालेंगे। So this is the concept. Now another question you can say what we'll do. Take the example, that is example 338 into 97 minus 1835 is equal to this. That means 333095. देखो here 951 is here, 951 is here, 951 is here, 951 is here. So that's why you cannot take that is equal to unit digit concept. You cannot take that is unit digit or digit sum concept is not applicable here. The last two digit concept also not applicable here. Last two digit concept. Here last two digit concept or unit digit concept you cannot apply here. So that's why digit sum technique, you think about the digit sum technique or 9 principle or digit sum or 9 principle. By using 9 principle technique, what we will do, that is 3, that is 1, that is 6, 6 है ना, 5 हो गया, ये 9 है, 7 हो गया, ये कितना है, 9 हो गया, that is 8 है, ये x है, 35 minus 8 is equal to x, 38 से 8 है, x equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Which option that having x is equal to 0? Check it. X equal means किसी का डिजिट सम 0 है। इधर देखो ये 9 है, ये 538 है, ये इसी का ऑप्शन 0, ये हो सकता है आंसर। चेक कर देते हैं दूसरा। ये है 1 एक्स्ट्रा है, दैट्स वाई ये 1 है, ये नहीं होगा। तो ये है 29, ये सब है, ये कम 1 है तो 8 है, ये नहीं होगा। सिमिलरली ये 3 to 1 ज्यादा है, दैट इज ये नहीं होगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई नॉन ऑफ द आंसर नहीं होगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बाय यूजिंग 9 प्रिंसिपल टेक्निक। 9 प्रिंसिपल, so we can use 9 principle here because that the last two digits are same, last two digits are same. You cannot apply last two digit concept, you cannot apply that unit digit concept. So you can apply last two digit concept, you can apply digit sum concept or 9 principle concept. हमने क्या 9 principle concept का अप्लाई करके हम देखा ये फर्स्ट बीट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। So similarly, next question you can do. Take the question 17.3 का whole square plus 47% of 1248 question mark plus 24 into 4.156, that is it। देखो डिजिट सम उसका परसेंटेज होने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, स्क्वायर रूट होने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा और स्क्वायर होने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। डिजिट सम जैसे ही कर रहे थे वैसे ही करेंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो अभी क्या करेंगे, आंसर में देखो कैसे होता है। दैट इज 17, वो 9 प्रिंसिपल के में करते हैं, 9 प्रिंसिपल और डिजिट सम में होता है। देखो कैसे होता है। सो दैट इज हियर 7 8 1 2 का स्क्वायर 4 हो रहे। सो दैट इज इधर क्या है 11 मतलब 2 हो रहे, 2 इंटू इधर कितना है 3 है, 1 हो गया 6 है, देन दैट इज इक्वल टू कितना, वो कैसे होता है पता है, दैट इज 8 1 दैट इज 9, 9 चला गया, अभी 6 है तो 6 रिमाइंडर हमको रखना है। अभी 24 मतलब है कितना, दैट इज इक्वल सपोज x लिखा, दिस इज 6, ये हो गया दैट इज 9, दैट इज 7 into 7, that is equal to 4 plus 12 minus x plus 42, x plus 42, that's why, so what, that is 4 plus 3 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 6a। सो दैट्स वाई ये 7 माइनस 6 x का वैल्यू 1 आ रहे। x का वैल्यू 1 है, किसी में x का वैल्यू 1 है, हमको चेक करना है। किसी में x का वैल्यू 1 है, हमको चेक करना है। तो हमको ऐसे चेक करके हम बता सकते हैं x का वैल्यू किसी का 1 है। देखो इधर देखो, 8 प्लस 9 हो गया, ये चला गया, ये है 7 से तो 3 ये 9, ये है 1 है। अभी चेक करके देखते हैं दूसरे टाइम, ये 9 हो गया, ये 6 से 12 3 है, ये 3 7 10 है, 1 आई। हो सकता है दिस इज आंसर, यू चेक इट वेदर ओनली ये कम एक है, इससे एक कम है मतलब 0 आ गया ये नहीं होता है। इसमें क्या है, ये एक ज्यादा है मतलब 2 आ गया। इसमें क्या है, x और ज्यादा है, मतलब इससे और ज्यादा है, 3 आ गया, तो ये नहीं होगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। you can calculate by using digit sum technique or 9 principle technique. So similarly many other question also you can do in next video. So many more question we'll do in next video. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thank you very much, and please giving more support by taking correct comments and share and likes much more. Thank you.